Hey friends, welcome to K4 Media and Technologies. We are going to draw this duck in just few simple steps. It has a curvy body and has this kind of the beak as shown here. It's very easy. You can fill it with any of your favorite color. I'm covering the beak with the yellow one and the body outline with blue one. This is another water bird and we are going to draw it from the numbers 3 and 4. Pause the video and follow the steps. It's very easy and it's suitable for the kids between the age group of 6 to 7. This is so cool, isn't it? It's time to draw a dragonfly. For this you have to make small circles as shown here. Then inside these we are putting some more circles. Then the U shape and the body is elongated and the wings are so simple. This one is so easy and cool. Let's now try to draw a bird that's flying high above in the sky. This one is very easy. I'm here using the yellow color to fill its body. You can use any other color. Now we are going to trace down a toad. For this we are making the two small circles. Then we are filling it with half black color as shown here so that it will denote the glowing eyes of the frog. Follow the other steps. You can pause the video if you have any confusion. Sheep is a farm animal and it's usually black and white in color. Today we are going to draw a white sheep and in some few simple steps as shown here. This looks so cute and it looks so fluffy. So we are going to give it a try definitely. It's less time consuming. I am outlining the body of the sheep using the grey sketch pen as shown here and I'm filling the ears with the grey color. Porcupine is a spiny creature and it's somewhat frightening to many of the people, but it's a rodent and it's very cute. Let's try to draw this porcupine in just few simple steps. Isn't it so cool? You just have to draw somewhat the mango shaped body and you will be done. Let's try to trace down one of the famous cartoon character. It's actually a cat, so it's none other than the kitty. Let's try to trace down this kitty. You just have to make the big sphere for the head of the kitty and then the small circles that will denote the eyes of the kitty. Whiskers are too easy and the body is also easy. Pigeons are somewhat innocent birds and today we are going to draw one of the pigeon that's flying high above in the sky and it's white in color. You don't need to fill it with any other color. Isn't it so easy? Let's try to trace down this dolphin. It's somewhat banana shaped. Then we have to just make the fins as shown here triangular shape. You can fill it with blue color as we have done. Now draw the two as shown here. It will get converted into a toad as you can see. I am using the green sketch pen here. You can use any other color or any other pencil. This is so easy. Now let's try to trace down the rat with the alphabet V as shown here. It may look hard to you at first, but actually we are trying to draw this cute little small mice. Don't forget to draw the whiskers. Now we are going to draw a cat that's just showing its belly. It's said that whenever cat shows its belly, it means that she is feeling secure and comfortable with you. Isn't it so interesting? Using some sketch markers, we are going to draw this caterpillar as we are drawing the branch. Then the circles will represent the body of the caterpillar. I am using the different colors. You can also use the one particular color. Thanks for watching K4 Media and Technologies. We will come up with more such videos.